In this video, we're going to be going over how to pin a post to the top of your Instagram feed. So what we're going to want to do is make sure we're on the Instagram app. We're going to toggle over to our profile. So we're going to click the little bubble in the bottom right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to whichever post we want. Let's say this purple one with the background we want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see these top little bubbles, these three little dots in the top right here of this video. I'm going to click that and you're going to see a lot of different options here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and you'll see an option to pin to your profile towards the bottom or pin to your reels. Now your reels is that second category over from your normal post. So I could pin it to just my reels or I could pin it to my profile as well. Let's say we want to do it just to our profile. You'll see this post has been pinned. So now if I go back up, reload my profile, you'll see that little purple video here in the top left with a little pin showing that, hey, this is pinned. And if I ever want to edit that, I can just hold down on that video and I can click unpin from profile and you'll see it will update and go back. So you can pin a couple different videos at the top or posts in general. And I can click over to my reels as well and do the same if I wanted to pin them. I just hold this down, I could click pin. And you can see the little pin button at the top showing that this is pinned. We're going to unpin it for now. But that's how you can pin posts on Instagram.